Hello students, by this video let us study about speed. How do we know that whether the object is moving faster or slower? Consider two objects both moving in the same path. Just looking at their motion, can you tell me which one of them is moving faster? Clearly, this one is moving faster. In comparison to object 2, object 1 is lagging behind. Hence we say that speed of the object 1 is more than the speed of the object 2. Speed is a physical quantity which tells us how fast object is moving. How do we define speed? In order to know the speed of an object, there are two things to be known. First one, distance traveled by an object in motion, and second one, time it takes to complete that distance. Consider a car moving in a straight road. Can you tell me the motion it is undergoing? Moving in a straight line is a rectilinear motion. Suppose the time to reach the other side is 30 seconds. Now, consider another car similar to the first one. It is also moving in a straight path adjacent to the first one. The time taken by the red car to cover the same length of the road is 40 seconds. The blue car covered the same path length in 30 seconds while red car covered 40 seconds. Which one of them is moving with a greater speed? We can say that blue colored car traveling at a greater speed than the red one. Why? Because blue car covered the same distance in lesser time. Let the length of this path be 420 meters. This path length is nothing but the distance covered by car in a given amount of time. For a red car, we take the ratio, total distance and time taken, and for blue car, the total distance by time taken. So, in the case of red car, it is 10.5 meter per second, and blue car, it is 14 meter per second. So, this ratio is the speed of the car. Since the blue car ratio is greater than the red car, it means that blue car traveled at a greater speed. Let's bring a third car which covers the same distance of path length of 420 meter in 20 seconds. So what is its speed then? The speed is 420 meter divided by 20 seconds, that is 21 meter per second. And you can say that this ratio is the greatest of all cars. Now let us look at the units. Meter per second is the unit of speed. There are many such units that you must be aware of. For example, kilometers per hour, miles per hour, feet per minute, and so on. Let's look at the example of one of the cars. Say, blue color car A, it covers 420 meter in 30 seconds. This gives us a speed of 14 meter per second. Now, another question to you. Can we say that the speed of blue car is constant throughout? Are we saying that blue color car covered 14 meter every second throughout the path? No, that's not what we are implying. Maybe the blue car moves faster initially, then slows down in the middle, and then stops and then again speeds up. So, speed does not imply that speed is constant at 14 meter per second throughout. So what is the speed then? The speed we calculated is the average speed. In fact, for all the three examples, we calculated the average speed. How do we define it? Average speed is defined as the total distance traveled by an object divided by the total time taken. Uniform speed and variable speed. Uniform speed. When the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time is called uniform speed. Variable speed, this is also called as non-uniform speed. When object covers equal distance in unequal interval of time or unequal distance in equal interval of time, it is called variable speed.